Hey there. Are you ready to ditch the razors and get that smooth, flawless skin at home? Cartridge waxing might just be your new best friend, but hold up. Before you dive in, let's talk about the do's and don'ts to make your experience effective and pain-free. Welcome to MTH Health, your ultimate spot for health and beauty tips. First things first, what even is cartridge waxing? It's a method of waxing that uses a roll-on applicator filled with soft wax. Think of it like a glue stick for your hair removal needs, just way more precise and way less messy. Whether you're a waxing newbie or just looking to upgrade your routine, this method is all about convenience and control. Alright, let's start with what you should do when using a waxing cartridge. These steps will make all the difference. Prepare your skin like a pro. Exfoliate a day before you wax to remove dead skin and help the wax grab the hair better. On the day of waxing, clean your skin and make sure it's completely dry. No lotions or oils. Warm it, don't scorch it. Heat the cartridge following the instructions on the package. Most come with a wax warmer, so no need to guess. Always test the wax temperature on a small area of skin before going all in. Go with the flow. Apply the wax in the direction of your hair growth. This helps the wax stick to the hair and not to your skin, making the removal process smoother and less painful. Show your skin some love afterward. Once you're done, use a soothing product like aloe vera gel or a post-wax oil to calm the skin and prevent irritation. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Now, let's talk about the things you absolutely want to avoid. Trust me. Learning these the hard way isn't fun. Don't skip the patch test. Before you start, test a tiny bit of wax on your skin to check for allergic reactions or irritation. Better safe than sorry, right? Don't overheat the wax. Too hot and you could end up with burns. Nobody wants that. Stick to the recommended heating time and always double-check the temperature before applying. Don't go over the same spot twice. If a few hairs get left behind, resist the urge to wax the same area again. It can irritate your skin. Instead, use tweezers for those stubborn hairs. Don't wax over problem areas. Avoid waxing skin that's broken, bruised, or inflamed. It's better to wait until the area has healed completely. Here are a few bonus tips to make your cartridge waxing journey a total success. Start with less sensitive areas like your arms or legs before tackling trickier zones. Keep the cartridge clean by wiping it down after every use. Hygiene is key. If you're nervous about pain, apply a numbing cream about 30 minutes before waxing. Game changer. Cartridge waxing is a fantastic way to get salon-quality results at home, but a little preparation and the right technique go a long way. Stick to these do's and don'ts, and you'll be a pro in no time. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to MTH Health for more tips to elevate your health and beauty routine. Got any cartridge waxing questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.